I'm going to see the which are the most innovative economy in the 2025. The GI, Global Innovation Index 2025. Let's see here. Now in this 18th edition, the major innovation performance across 114 economy and unveiled by top 100 innovation clusters. It tracked global innovation trends, innovation by technology progress, adaptation rate, and socio-economic impact. It provides a useful resource for government, industry, researchers, and anyone with a stake in developing innovation ecosystem around the world. Now let's see the 10 top 10 most innovative economics. First one is here the Switzerland. Second is Sweden, and third one is United States of America. Fourth one is Republic of Korea, Singapore, United Kingdom, Finland, Netherlands, Kingdoms of Denmark, and China. World 100 clusters, innovative clusters. Ranking expanded with the venture capital data reveals the world's largest user power. Shenzhen, Hong Kong, Tokyo, Shenzhou, San Francisco, Beijing, Seoul, Shanghai, Suzhou, Newark, London, Boston, Cambridge, Los Angeles. GI rank world economics according to their innovation capabilities consisting of roughly 80 indicators grounded in innovation inputs and outputs. The GI aims to capture the multiple dimension facts and innovation. Switzerland ranked first among 54 high income group economy. Switzerland ranks first among 39 economic in Europe. It is all over the world, and it is the Europe. Share is showing 54. What's innovation they do? In let's see from this time to this time, they always on top, on the output. Shit. This year Switzerland ranked 2 in innovation books. This option is same as the last time. Scientific publication, R&D investment, improvement awards. Overview of the Switzerland ranking in the 7 area of daily life. On which area it is measured? See here. First pillar global index, second knowledge and technology output, third pillar, fifth pillar, sixth human capital and research. In the institution wise, Switzerland export is 85, and the human capital and research infrastructure. High income and euro. Top 10 they got this. Strength of Switzerland is they have GitHub commit. Intellectual properties and top level domain, entertainment and media market, government effectiveness, high tech manufacturing, university industry R&D collaboration, global brand value, production export, logistic performance. Public business, registry, common ministry, policy stability for doing business. here, and we have to the index is a ranking of innovation capabilities and result of the world economies. It measures innovation based on criteria that include institution, human capital, and national infrastructure, credit, investment, linkage, and creation, education, diffusion of knowledge, innovation output. Deal has GII Global Innovation Index has